Welcome back to Venus Kitchen. Today I'm going to do Escovitch fish, and I'm going to use two types of fish. I'm going to use goldfish and I'm going to use snapper. Okay, I'm going to start by adding 2 cups of cooking oil. I'm gonna just add salt and black pepper to the fish. So this is a snapper. So I'm cutting the side of the fish. And this is a goldfish. So we're gonna just mark it here. And this is a snapper fish. So we are doing 2 goldfish and we are doing 2 snapper. Okay? While the oil is being hot, I'm gonna add black pepper and salt to the fish. So the mark that I put it, I'm gonna put black pepper and salt inside the fish, all over the fish. And again, we are using goldfish and snapper fish. Okay, this is what the goldfish look like, and this is what the snapper fish look like. And we are doing Escovitch fish today. So we are just putting salt and black pepper on both sides, in that little cut there and in the middle. So while I'm waiting for the oil to be hot, let me wash my hands. I'm gonna start to cut the pepper, the onion, and the carrots. And I'm gonna add it to this little small pot. So here we go. This is just the sauce that we're gonna add over the fish when we are finished frying it. So that's the onion. I'm gonna shred a few little pieces of carrots to put in there, just for coloring. I'm gonna add a few, about 12 pimento seed. And I'm going to cut the pepper. So let's do this over here where I have more space. So I don't like to hold it with my hands, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm putting the fork there and I'm slicing it. And I like to do peppers with a lot of color, so I'm doing 1 red, 1 green, 1 burnt orange, so that's the pepper. I'm gonna add it to the pimento seed, the carrots, and the onion. But that is what we are going to use for the sauce for the Escovitch fish. We're not using anymore, just 4 fish, so that's enough. So while I'm waiting for the oil to hot, I'm going to add some vinegar. Open this, please. Thank you. So I'm gonna add, let me get a cover for that. about a cup full of vinegar. I'm gonna put it on this side of the stove so it can start to steam. That's when the fish is ready. It's all ready. And this is how I test my oil to know if it's real hot. I drop a little piece of garlic in the pot, and if it's burn out real quick, then I know it's ready. And remember, you have to make your fish well dry. If it's not well dry properly, then it's gonna be catching the pot. So now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna place the fish in the pot. And remember again, we are doing two fishes. This is the goldfish and this is a snapper. When I was in Jamaica, I remember when you fry a goldfish, the oil color would change. So let's see if the color changes. For like a light burnt orange. So this is what it would look like in the pot. See? They're fine. So I'm gonna place one more. And there's space in there that can hold another one. Okay? Alright, so I also like to burn a candle, you know, to take away the scent of the fish, because everybody who fry fish in their home know that when you fry fish, you need a candle or something to take away the smell. But okay. This is my sauce. It's pepper, onion, a little carrot, and about 12 little pimento seed. So it's all ready now because it's steam. So I'm going to turn the stove off, waiting for the fish. So while we're waiting, what can we talk about? Let's talk about Jamaica. My mother, I've never worked for anyone from the day I know her. She always an independent lady, and she built her home by selling fried fish and bami. That's what we grow on back up in Jamaica, fried fish and bami. So fish is part of my life. I eat fish almost every day, and I know a few little different fish like parrot, snapper, doctor fish, jackfish. I know about conch, coneybuck. You know, there are so many fishes from Jamaica that I can remember that my mom used to prepare for us almost every day. So you can say I'm coming from Mildred's kitchen also. So here we are. I'm turning the goldfish. So it's nicely done. And I'm going to turn the snapper. All done. Okay. I'm trying to make this a one video so I don't have to do a two-part. So just bear along with me, you know, while I do my thing. I have my son Kirk here who's helping me, so you know, I really appreciate him doing this for me because he's a busy man, you know what I'm saying? Turn that way.